Students, in polymer chemistry, today we are going to study natural and synthetic rubber. First one is natural rubber, also called polyisoprene. It's clear the monomer of natural rubber is isoprene. Delete the term poly, it's monomer. And the IUPAC name of isoprene is 2-methyl-buta-1,3-diene. That's important, students. Many times in your competitive exams, that's the question. What is the IUPAC name of the monomer of natural rubber? Its IUPAC name is 2-methyl-buta-1,3-diene. Now we have to mention chemical equation. Monomer of natural rubber is neoprene. Now what is neoprene? 2-methyl-buta-1,3-diene. Students, the word root is but. But means the chain of 4 carbons. Then primary suffix is diene. Double bond 2 times with respect to the position 1 and 3. That is 1 and 3. And then prefix substituent part is 2-methyl. That is second carbon contain the substituent as CH3. Now stabilize the carbon atoms. CH2. It is already tetravalent. CH2. When we go for polymerization, in general form we mention n times. Students, it's clear the monomer contain unsaturation. It is additional polymer. Nothing is lost as byproduct. What will happen? Unsaturation break. What will happen, students? Please look here. This double bond shifts here. And this double bond goes out. This double bond shifts here and this double bond goes out. That is simple way to learn. Double bond becomes single and single becomes double. And double becomes single. At first bond was double, second was single and third was double. When we do polymerization, double bond becomes single, single becomes double and double becomes single. That is, this bond shifts here and this bond goes out. Now what is the polymer? Please look here. CH2, double bond becomes single. The side chain CH3 remain as such. It has no role. Single bond becomes double. And next, double bond becomes single. This bond goes out. And this link expands on the left side. How many times? N times. We call it natural rubber. Its monomer is isoprene, 2-methyl-buta-1,3-diene. It's easy to mention structure when you know IUPAC name. Then make polymerization, double bond. This bond goes here and this bond goes out. Do polymerization and expand the link on left side also. How many times? N times. It is natural rubber. After this, explain the process of vulcanization of rubber. The process of vulcanization of rubber was given by the scientist Charles Goodyear. Charles Goodyear in 1839. Now what is vulcanization of rubber? That is heating natural rubber with sulfur. We have studied classification of polymers on the basis of their source of availability. Natural, synthetic and semi-synthetic. Natural obtained from nature, natural rubber. And semi-synthetic, natural followed by chemical modification. We give the example of vulcanized rubber. Now what is vulcanized rubber? Heating natural rubber with sulfur to improve its properties. It increases the elasticity and decreases the stickiness of natural rubber by forming sulfur links between the different layers of rubber. Why we do vulcanization of rubber? It increases the elasticity and decrease the stickiness of natural rubber. That's the natural rubber, students. It's linear polymer containing long and linear chains. When we heat natural rubber with sulfur, now what will happen? That is, sulfur links are developed between various linear chains. Now we call it vulcanized rubber. Sulfur links are developed, it is called vulcanized rubber. Now it is cross-linked polymer. They contain cross links between various linear chains. That's the topic. Explain the process of vulcanization of rubber. After this, now we are going to start next synthetic rubbers. In synthetic rubbers, first is neoprene. Neoprene, the monomer of neoprene is chloroprene. And what is chloroprene? 2-chlorobutadiene. Isoprene was 2-methyl-butadiene and chloroprene is 2-chloro. That is, methyl group is substituted by halogen atom Cl. That's 2-chloro-buta-1,3-diene. 1,3 position again contain double bond. Students, that's CH double bond CCl, single bond CH double bond CH2. When we do polymerization, again simple, that is this bond goes here and this bond goes out, and then link expands on n time. The side chain halogen atom remain as such. That is again simple way, double bond becomes single, single becomes double, and double becomes single. Please do neoprene. Double bond becomes single. Halogen atom subsequent it remain as such. Single becomes double. Again double becomes single. That's the way this bond shifts here and this bond goes out. And then in polymer we know the link expands on n times. Make it n times. It is called neoprene. It is synthetic rubber. After this, next is Bunase, also called SBR, styrene butadiene rubber. Bunase, bubblegum, chewing gum, or SBR, all are same. Bubblegum that we eat, it is Bunase. Now question is, mention chemical equation for the synthesis of Bunase. Students, Bunase, its monomers are butadiene and styrene. Butadiene and styrene. The monomers are given in the name of the polymer. Butadiene and styrene, and Na, natrium, that is sodium. It is polymerization agent. It acts as polymerization agent. Again, monomers are butadiene and styrene. Students, it's butadiene and it's styrene, all of you know. In general form, we go for n times. We have done polystyrene. When we do polymerization in styrene, we got polystyrene. But in this case, we are using two different monomers. It is copolymer. And the process is copolymerization. Butadiene and styrene. Again, students, simple way. Double bond. This bond shifts here when we do polymerization. And this bond makes the link with this. And this bond goes out. Double bond, single, single, double, double, single. This forms link. This bond goes out. And do it's easy to mention chemical equation. What happens, students? Please look here. I am going to do the preparation of Bunase from its monomers. CH2, double bond becomes single, single bond becomes double. Now this bond shifts, makes the link with CH. Again this double bond becomes single. The side chain remains as such. C6H5. You can write also C6H5. Double bond single, single double. This bond makes the link with CH. This bond goes out. This goes out means repeat how many times? N times. What we call it? Bunase. Again the monomers are in the polymer, that is butadiene and styrene. Natrium, it is polarization agent. After this, the last one is bunane, also called acrylonitrile rubber. Bunane or acrylonitrile rubber. Again the monomers are butadiene and acrylonitrile. Its monomers are butadiene and acrylonitrile. Then chemical equation, that's butadiene. All of you know acrylonitrile, that is vinyl cyanide. It's vinyl group. When we link CN, it is called vinyl cyanide. Fixed cyanide because we add CN to the vinyl group. The monomers are butadiene and acrylonitrile, that is vinyl cyanide. Again go for the polymerization. It's the assignment, do by yourself. Again same, double bond shifts here. This bond makes the link with this. This bond goes out and then repeats it n times. It is catalyzed by sodium peroxide, Na2O2. In this case, we use the polymerization agent as peroxide. While in Bunase, we use the polymerization agent as sodium. Student, that's the question of 2 marks. Distinguish between Bunase and bunane. How to attempt it? At first go with Bunase in the same way. No need to mention 4 points. At first start from Bunes, select Bunes, write its monomers are butadiene and styrene, and then give chemical equation. Then go for the second Bunane. At first write monomers, butadiene and acrylonitrile, and then chemical equation. 1 marks will be of monomers and 1 will be of chemical equation. It is of 2 marks. The difference, no need to mention 4 points because we have to mention chemical equation with respect to both of these, Bunane and Bunes. That's all with respect to natural and synthetic rubber. Thank you.